Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Thermaltake View 380 TG ARGB mid-tower PC case. So friends, Thermaltake Technology has announced the new Pillarless PC case View 380 TG ARGB on 19 June and is available in black and white and hydrangea blue and matcha green. So friends, this case is support rear connector motherboard including Asus BTF series and MSI Project Zero series, and it features a dual chamber design for efficient cable management with ample space behind the motherboard tray, and the case include extensive ventilation with nearly the entire top, bottom and right side panel and covered in ventilation holes, and it support multiple cooling fan configuration, three 120 mm fans on the top, three 120 mm and two 140 mm fans beside the motherboard tray, with three 120 mm ARGB fan include as a standard and one 120 mm fan at the rear and three 120 mm fans on the bottom, and radiator support include 360 mm radiator on the top, 280 mm and 240 mm radiator beside the motherboard tray and 360 mm radiator on the bottom. And the View 380TG ARGB offer drive bays for one 3.5-inch drives and two 2.5-inch drives and 7 expansion slot, and support graphics card up to 415 mm in length and CPU cooler up to 160 mm in height and power supply up to 200 mm in depth, and it recommended ATX, micro ATX, mini ATX motherboard, and the connectivity ports include USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, two USB 3.0 port, and one HD audio output. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.